In last lecture, we studied solution of linear homogeneous equation. In today's lecture, we start solution of a linear non-homogeneous equation. X is equal to b, where b is 0, then solution of linear homogeneous equation calculations. But where b is non-zero, then system is linear non-homogeneous equation system. Okay. This is augmented matrix. When rank of A is similar or equals to rank of augmented matrix, then equation is consistent. Hence, in linear homogeneous equation, rank is same because B is always 0 in homogeneous equation. But in non-homogeneous equation, B is not 0 matrix. Hence, we have to consider their consistency. But in homogeneous equations are always consistent. But in this linear non-homogeneous equation system, we have to find out rank of A and rank of augmented matrix. If rank of A and rank of augmented matrix are the same, then equation is consistent. But when rank of A and rank of augmented matrix are not equals, then equation is inconsistent. Now, see this chart, X is equal to B, where B is non-zero matrix. Rank A is equal to rank of augmented matrix, then consistent. And rank A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix, then inconsistent. Now, rank is equal to number of variables given in a matrix, then we have unique solution. Rank is less than number of variables, then infinite solution. But in inconsistent, no solution or can't find solution. Okay. Rank is equal to variables unique solution. Rank is less than variable infinite solution. Now, first question for solution of linear non-homogeneous equation. Why non-homogeneous equation? This is B matrix and this is non-zero matrix. Hence, the system is non-homogeneous system. Okay. Options. Number no unique solution, only two solution, only one solution and infinite solution. For that, what we have to do? We have to convert it in X is equal to B form and then write down augmented matrix, and after writing augmented matrix, find out rank of that augmented matrix. If rank is same, then it is consistent and this rank is equal to number of variables, means here X and Y, these are two variables. If rank is 2, then unique solution. If rank is 1, then we have infinite solution because we have variables are 2. Let's proceed. This system converted in augmented matrix. Okay. Now, what we can do, if we convert these 2 in 1, for that R1 converts R1 by 2, then R1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1, 4 by 2, 2, 10 by 2, 5. Then we get this matrix. which is easy for calculation. Now R2 minus 5 R1. Okay. Now we get this matrix C. The rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix, hence system is consistent. Rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix. Now find out rank number of rows. 2 rows minus number of rows containing zeros. 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Rank is 1. Both have rank 1. But we have given 2 variables, hence system is consistent and having infinite solutions. Okay. See, we have number of variables 2, x and y. Number of rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix is less than number of variables and system is consistent and having infinite solution. Now this is second. What we have given, x plus 2y plus z is equal to 6, 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 6, x plus y plus z is equal to 5. And simultaneous equations, solutions, unique solution, no solution, infinite number of solution, exact 2 solutions. What we have to do? Convert these equations coefficient in augmented matrix form. A, B. B is this matrix. For simple calculation, we can interchange this row at here. After interchanging rows, this row becomes this row here and this row here. For convenient calculations. Now we can R2 minus R1 and R3 minus 2R1. We get these values. Now we can make 0 here if R3 plus R2. Okay. Then we get this row 0, 0 for A matrix. But when R3 plus R2 in this B matrix, we get minus 3. Now rank of A is equal to 2. 3 rows minus 1 0 row 2, but rank of augmented matrix is different, means 3, 2 and 3. So rank of A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix and system is inconsistent and hence it has no solution. Option no solution. Thank you for watching and share with your all friends, and please subscribe our channel and also like it and comment in the comment box. Thank you.